Our hot tub sprung a leak right here, and it was the O-ring that has started to degrade. And when it's put together, it looks just like this. This hard plastic piece will actually twist into place, tightening the two pieces together, and that O-ring in between them is what prevents the leaking. Now here's the plastic piece that goes around. You can see how it twists in and will really make everything tight. And this was the O-ring that was in it. I know it doesn't look that degraded, but it is actually pretty stiff. And it does have a fair amount of cracking along that back edge. So I got this set. They are the exact same size. Make sure your measurements are correct. And this is very pliable, it's very squishy. So once I put it between the pipes, it will squeeze down tightly and really make that waterproof seal, especially with some silicone lubricant, which you'll want to cover this with as well. So this was going to get fully sprayed down and then be put in right like this where that white pipe is, so it kind of pops into the white pipe. And then this will twist over it tightly, and that'll stop all leaks from happening. A super easy fix that you can definitely do on your own.